Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing this Monday? Thank you so much for joining me here today. This is your latest stimulus news and information. A fourth round of stimulus payments could definitely be included into the new massive spending plan. Americans could also be receiving more financial relief very soon. And if you're interested in entering this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure to watch until the end of this video. House Democrats could initially hold off on sending a $550 billion infrastructure bill to President Biden for signature to help keep the party united and his economic agenda on track. House Budget Committee Chair John Yarmuth suggested the maneuver could be part of Speaker Nancy Pelosi's balancing act between moderates, including backers of the Senate-passed infrastructure plan, and progressives who want to keep a bigger tax and social spending plan moving forward in tandem. Democrats are still planning for a House vote on the infrastructure bill on September 27th, though completion of both bills will probably be delayed until sometime in October. John Yarmuth told Fox News, "The Speaker, if we pass it in the House, does not actually have to send it to the President for signature. She can hold on to that bill for a while. So there is some flexibility in how we mesh the two mandates." Democratic Senator Joe Manchin, who has called for a strategic pause in the larger $3.5 trillion plan, told Procter & Gamble employees in his home state of West Virginia that he wants to pause talks about the package until next year. Manchin's office in Washington said it could not confirm the report. Joe Manchin, whose vote is potentially decisive in the evenly split Senate, has cited soaring debt and rising inflation as a reason to take more time on the matter. He has not said publicly how long the pause should be. Also, looming is a political standoff over raising the nation's $28 trillion debt ceiling, where Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell has said Democrats should not count on any Republican support. The Treasury Department has warned that without congressional action, the government could default sometime during October. So everyone, what do you think about the debt ceiling? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below.
Finally, on addressing the debt limit. Madam President, on debt limit, the Republicans are doing a dine and dash of historic proportions that hurts the American people and hurts our country. In the immediate future, both parties will have to come together to allow the federal government to continue its most important responsibility, paying the bills and making good on our outstanding obligations. A few minutes ago, I joined with Speaker Pelosi in announcing that the continuing resolution that we'll take up to avoid a government shutdown will also include a suspension of the debt limit through December of 2022, allowing us to meet our obligations and preserve the full faith and credit of these United States of America. Suspending the debt limit through December of 2022 provides an amount of time commensurate with the debt that was incurred as a result of the $908 billion COVID emergency relief bill last year. That was a bill that was passed when Donald Trump was president. McConnell was the majority leader of the Senate. It was passed under Republican leadership. That is the debt we are paying in this bill.
Senators have proposed a $200 raise for Social Security recipients. The plan would provide more than 60 million Americans with an additional $4,000 over 2 years, which is part of the Senate's Democrats' bold Phase 3 stimulus proposal. Senate Democratic Leader Chuck Schumer, Senator Elizabeth Warren, and Senate Finance Committee Ranking Member Ron Wyden unveiled a plan to increase by $200 the monthly benefit for all Social Security, veterans, and supplemental security income beneficiaries through the end of this year, which would improve the lives of millions of Americans and help our economy stabilize and recover from the national emergency caused by this crisis. This plan would give seniors, veterans, and people with disabilities who have earned this benefit by contributing to Social Security with every paycheck an additional $4,000 over the next 2 years. In 2019, 64 million Americans received Social Security checks. This makes up a majority of income for most seniors and older individuals with severe disabilities. So everyone, the key word for this video is phone. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also remember to comment below the key word. Thank you so much, everyone. Researchers have found that increasing Social Security benefits has a large, immediate, and significant positive impact on spending. In fact, there is nearly a 1-to-1 ratio between an increase in Social Security benefits and an increase in consumer spending, which means increasing these benefits will bring an enormous boost to the economy quickly, starting the first months that the benefits are increased. Nonpartisan advocacy groups, the Senior Citizens League, is petitioning Congress right now to issue a fourth round of stimulus checks, but just for seniors. The Senior Citizens League is a group that advocates for senior citizen benefits like increased Social Security and Medicare benefits. And most recently, they have called for an increase of 6% to the COLA, which is the cost of living adjustment, in monthly Social Security benefits. They have argued that the rise in inflation made current fixed income benefits unsustainable. The newest petition calling for an additional stimulus payment reads, "I want Social Security recipients to receive a $1,400 emergency stimulus check to cope during this unprecedented inflationary year." Social Security benefits are one of those types of income in retirement adjusted for inflation. But soaring inflation has taken a toll on household finances of the retired and disabled Social Security recipients. The group added that in 2021, benefits increased by just 1.3%, which only raised the average benefit by about $20 a month. Roughly 86% of Social Security recipients who were surveyed said that their expenses increased by much more than that amount. The Senior Citizens League plans to use responses from this petition to help urge Congress to give additional payments. The payments will be seen as a way to supplement money lost during the crisis to inflation, as Social Security benefits decrease in value as inflation kept surging. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for joining me here this afternoon. I greatly appreciate it. Please enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for this Friday. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and also remember to comment below this keyword. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed week.